The abstract factory pattern provides one interface for creating whole families of related objects without naming concrete classes. Notice two matching widget sets, Windows and Mac, each with a button and checkbox. Imagine an application building a UI with a button and a checkbox. Look at the code. New Windows button and new MacCheckbox, called directly, scattered everywhere. The concrete classes are hard-coded. Nothing stops a Windows button sitting beside a Mac checkbox, leaving the family mismatched. Suppose we use a platform flag, then scatter if-else branches everywhere a widget is created. This direct construction repeats and grows dangerous. Forget just one branch, and a Windows button mixes with a Mac checkbox, breaking the consistent look and feel. We need something cleaner. Here's the solution. We define a GUIFactory interface with createButton and createCheckbox. WindowsButton and MacCheckbox each implement it, returning only their own matching widgets. The application holds a single GUIFactory and builds the screen through createButton and createCheckbox, never naming a concrete class. Pick one factory, and the whole widget family locks in, perfectly matched. Here's the factory side of the structure. The GUIFactory interface declares createButton and createCheckbox. Two concrete factories, WindowsButton and MacCheckbox, implement it. The client depends only on GUIFactory. Now the product side. We have two interfaces, button and checkbox, each with a Windows and a Mac variant. Notice how each factory builds a matching family. WindowsButton makes the Windows widgets. MacCheckbox makes the Mac widgets. Look at the before snippet. A platform flag and repeated if-else new statements are scattered everywhere, flagged as danger. After, the application receives one GUIFactory, then calls createButton and createCheckbox. We highlight the active factory, swap to MacCheckbox, and the whole widget family changes in a single place. The abstract factory groups creation of related objects behind one interface, keeping a product family consistent. No hard-coded classes, guaranteed matching products, and easy switching between families.